That drip you keep hearing at night? It's not just annoying. It's your faucet quietly warning you that something inside has failed. And here's the thing. Most people wait until it turns into a real problem. Water damage, a bigger repair bill, a call to a plumber they didn't budget for. But you don't have to be one of them. If your faucet is leaking from the top, there's a good chance it's just one small part causing all this trouble. The cartridge inside. And the best part? You can fix it yourself today without spending a fortune. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to handle it. Step 1. Get the old cartridge out. First things first, turn off the water supply and make sure there's really no water coming through before you start. Grab a small screwdriver and pop off that plastic cap on the handle. You'll see a tiny grub screw hiding underneath. Loosen that with an Allen key, and the cap should lift right off. Now you're looking at the shroud. Sometimes it just twists off by hand. But if it's stuck, a strap wrench is your best friend here. It grips well without scratching anything up. Once that's off, take a large adjustable spanner, get it on the retaining nut, and turn it counterclockwise until the old cartridge comes free. Step 2. Pop the new one in. Now it's time for a trip to the plumbing supply store. Don't worry if the replacement has a slightly different part number than what you pulled out. As long as it matches in shape and size, you're good. Line up the 3 water holes with the locating lugs, and it should just slide straight in and click into place. Then thread the nut back on by hand first, nice and slow so you don't cross-thread it, and finish it off with the spanner. Just snug. You don't need to muscle it. Step 3. Test and reassemble. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. If it's dry, turn it off, reassemble the shroud and handle, lock it in with the Allen key, and snap the hot/cold indicator back on, red on the left. And that's really it. Job done. A dripping faucet doesn't always mean you need a whole new one. Sometimes it's just the cartridge and a little patience. Thanks for watching, and if this saved you a call to the plumber, do me a favor and subscribe for more.